Good afternoon, Facebook. Here we are in Tustin, California, and we've been at this house a couple days now. We did some sanding and refinishing on most of the stuff, a lot of repairs, and as of right now, we're doing an installation. Let me go ahead and flip this thing around, show you guys what we got. Got our guys hard at work here. So, this was basically installation, but let me go ahead and take you around, show you the rest of the house. We was here this weekend. We sanded, we stained this. I don't know if you guys remember the first video we did here, but there was like a concrete thing here. That's all gone now. Everything looks nice, beautiful. Closet, hallway. One room right here. I believe they went with like a maple kind of look. There's a couple of dark spots on here that, we couldn't necessarily get out. I don't know if they had water damage or something like that. But, some of these water spots, pet stains, stuff like that, we just never know if they're going to come out until we actually start sanding. But closet here, closet there. So that's pretty much that as far as the sand and refinish goes. Looks great. I mean, if you go back to the first video we posted, this thing had a lot of wear and tear on it. Just a lot of holes all over the place. There was literally screw holes, nail holes, pretty much at least over 100 in each room. So we got a lot of stuff done. It looks a lot different, looks a lot better. I'm gonna take you back to the installation part that we're doing. Got everything going here. These steps right here, we actually redid. Made them shorter. As you can see where the brown part is, where the paint ends, that's pretty much where the step ended. And then we shortened it down, put new steps, new foundation, new everything, made everything solid. So we should be done with this sometime today, within the next hour or so. We only got a little bit to go, as you can see. And then we're gonna let it sit for about a week and a half, and we'll be back here to sand and stain. So